Impi yabulala ungayijahi. Cabanga ngqondo ayingenhliziyo, qedana uzisola ngoba yona impompa igazi. Impi yebo inhlaselo yaqeda okhokho basala enkundleni, waphikelela kwelizayo apho singazi khona. Umbuso politiki ukhetho selusemome, akube yizethembiso kungafi muntu. Impi yomlomo yobuciko mayingafike ezandleni zokwakha izwe lethu. Asibenzi singawagodla amandla wabeshinga, kungathintwa abaphathi nezakhiwo. Bambeni uma isinyathela amasimba abantwana, ngafika uqolo luyinkosi isizwe sompumelelo. Asibe munye ama-Afrika amachopho wonke izwekazi, kelezi ama-Afrika okuhle usabhekiswe obezizwe kancanani. Bantwana bakaHam ningabinhlekisa kubantwana bakaShem nabantwana bakaJafet. Singaxabana kwembono kodwa sibe ngabangani. Ukhetho yebo ukuvota, impi emnandi yobuqhawe nje cha. Impi yihlazo nobulwane bathi bolwayo kusuka sekumense ingqondo. Ngqondo yomuntu emhlabeni ihluzeka kuze kubuye umnotho kubantu emhlabeni. Impi iyabulala uzungayijahi. Malunga hloniphekile ePhalamende ziqeqweni ikhulume ngokwakha kuvikeleke umbhedumbazi ongenasidingo umkhathi wemvakafi. Sishokini basebenzi benkulumo-mpikiswano, zwela kithi lilambele intuthuko nemisebenzi, imvubulamqondo yemisebenzi nobuchwepheshe. Impi iyabulala uzungayijahi. Let's decrease the fighting spirit. Cold war and real war itself must be forbidden. War is the mother of human destruction. It creates genocide in the world. War is the national and international killer. Let's avoid unnecessary war. Voting is the best option. Professional act of nation building, which our forefathers were denied the right to vote. Differences concerns intellectual maturity. Debate is an exclusive tool for best decision. Let's avoid senseless wars. Destruction of community structure is not lit. My fellow human, fellow warm bodies, this world must be a better place to live in. Wars of vengeance, defensive and offensive. You are useless and destructive. Our choice must be peace, love and happiness to make the world plenty, of plenty possible. War is the last option for soldiers to defend. Ordinary people is not ours. No economy can be built through the war. Our beloved country will recall our last days of camps, but our constitutional rights are hindering. Whereby rights clash with responsibilities, we observe police retreating. Confusion erupted. Let's not die alive in this troubled land of plenty. Still, war is not the solution. War is not the solution.